Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 of the practical ways with which you can make passive income in 2020. This is going to be really something which is really working, and this stuff is super duper awesome. You just have to take action on any of this and you can really make some good money. But this is not something like a get rich scheme, or you can get just money just by clicking some of the things on your computer. You need to put in some work, but if you are really able to put in the work upfront, then you are definitely going to make money for a very long period of time just by doing some work at the front end. So this is going to be really interesting video, so watch this video till the end. In the end of the video, I'll be sharing you one of the bonus with you, so watch this video till the end. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very important. So the first thing which I'm going to tell you about is niche specific affiliate website. Now what are niche specific affiliate websites? Okay, niche specific affiliate websites are, for example, I will show you one of the website. So this website is known as clickfunnelspricing.com. So what is the niche on which this website is targeted? Okay, the niche of this website is ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a platform which on which you can create landing pages for affiliate marketing. So this is one of the website. Okay, so if anyone searches for ClickFunnel review or ClickFunnel pricing or any of the stuff like that, so you can see there is a great chance that he may land on this website, because this website is really ranking very high on Google. Okay, and you can see what are the things on this website. This website is only telling about the features related to ClickFunnels, what is the pricing of ClickFunnels, and what are the features or things available in ClickFunnels. And you can see that they have been sharing all this, what can we say, that their affiliate links on this website. And if someone signs up for ClickFunnels from this website and pays every month for ClickFunnels account, then this website gets affiliate commission every single month in passive income. So this is really possible. There are many of the platforms such as ClickFunnels, or you can create almost a niche specific website on any of the things. You can do Amazon affiliate marketing, you can do almost in any niche, any stuff. Okay, all you need to do is have a super focused website which is focused only on one of the specific product, and that product is something which if that product is something which earns you passive income, then this can be really super awesome and you can really make a really big amount of money doing this stuff. Watch this video till the end and I will be revealing one of the best bonus. Okay, so now the next thing is niche specific YouTube channel. I have talked a lot about this on my YouTube channel, and that is like niche specific YouTube channel. For example, you can open a YouTube channel on health and fitness. You can open a new YouTube channel on how to do video editing. You can open a YouTube channel on any of the stuff which you know, which you like, and which you can teach to someone. Okay, and you can promote products related to that niche, okay, on your YouTube channel. This is really interesting. People are making a ton of money because they are not just earning money through AdSense, but they are also promoting products which are related to their content. For example, if I am here creating videos about affiliate marketing, I can just promote some of the products which are related to affiliate marketing. Okay, if I create content about health and fitness, I can recommend some of the products related to health and fitness. Okay, so that's the thing, that's the strategy which many of the creators apply. So you can also apply this. Okay, so this is number one method. If you are not comfortable on camera and you just like to write some stuff, then this is one of the best thing, which is niche specific affiliate website. And if you are comfortable on camera but and want to start, then you can also start a YouTube channel. But even though if you are not comfortable on camera, you can still start a YouTube channel. All you need to do is just utilize a platform just like Content Samurai. Okay, just remember the name Content Samurai, and you can just create a YouTube channel utilizing that platform. And how you are going to do is just search for some of the tutorials about Content Samurai and you will find out. Okay, Now the next thing is print on demand. This is also one of the best thing which you can do if you have a particular t-shirt. Okay, the most demanding thing in this space is t-shirt designing. Okay, so if you have something unique design, or you can hire some designer to design some of the unique t-shirts for you, or some of the great designs, and then what you can do is you can sell those designs online. All this shipping, all the printing work, everything is done by some of the online companies. You have to just upload your t-shirt and you will get the profit out of it. So this is one of the very profitable business model which many of the people are making money with. You can also create your own merchandise if you have gained audience on this affiliate marketing and YouTube channel. You can, if you have gained audience with both of this platform, then you can start this also. Okay, and promote your YouTube channel. You can promote this type of stuff on your YouTube channel. And YouTube also allows you to sell Teespring t-shirts, so that's also possible for you. And this is also one of the practical method with which people are making money in 2020 and will be making money in 2020. And the fourth thing is online course. One of the bad thing about online courses is that people have been charging very high prices for low quality content. But what you can do is, if you are genuine, if you are good at the skill which you are teaching, and you have got some good results, then what you can do is just you can create a course. Just be genuine in it. Don't overshow your results. Just be specific, be genuine, be yourself, and you can really make a good course. And don't price it really very high. Just give a reasonable price to it, and definitely you are going to make really big money out of this. Now it's time for the bonus. The bonus is that you can just write an article on niche specific affiliate website. What you can do is just, then what you have to do is just create a video out of that article using the platforms such as Content Semro. Now the best thing is that once you gain audience on both this platform, what you can do is you can start selling your merchandise, which is a niche specific print on demand, utilizing a website called Teespring. And then after, if you have just gained a good amount of audience and have started making some money, after that you can just invest some of your time and create one of the online course which you can sell on your affiliate website as well as your YouTube channel. So this is the best thing, this is the best strategy all combined together, which can really make you a big amount of money in 2020. Many of the affiliate gurus, affiliate marketers are utilizing this specific strategy. No one is going to tell you, no one is going to explain you everything in this much detailed manner. They will be showing you some of the, they will be telling you some of the things but hiding of many of the things. I am here to not to hide any of the thing from you. I'll be showing you exactly what they do, how they do, and how much they and what they do in a very secret manner. Even the deepest secrets of affiliate marketers will be revealed on this channel. So just be ready to get some great good content in your mind which can really help you to make some big money in 2020. And if you like this video, if you like my content, just press the like button. And if you really want to enjoy more content of this type on my channel, then just press the subscribe button. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing, and online business. So just press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.